Today I want to share with you all the story of my two grandparents that I never had a chance to meet. They were killed in a train accident May 24th, 1965. There were also two of their children. One was 18 months old, one was 3 years old, and there was also a cousin that was 2 years old. All of them were girls. The four other children, one of which is my father, Alfred Groce, Terry Groce, my uncle, Kathy Stevens, my aunt, and Robert Groce, my uncle. Those were the four that were able to escape out of the vehicle. Growing up, their life wasn't easy. They were raised by their grandmother, Ritter Groce, who did all she could do to endure and take care of them and make sure that they got what they needed until they were old enough to take care of themselves. Now I will show you the four remaining children, of which one of them is now deceased.